Hello, I am Dan Wakenshaw and I am one of the product technicians here at Pebble. And today I'm just going to show you a brief overview of how you can manage and amend your buffers inside of Tali. To find your buffers, you want to go up to your till tab, go all the way down to buffer statement. And when that loads, you need to make sure you've got the account selected as your school meals account. Go ahead and press search. This will call back all of the students with the buffers. There's a couple of things we can do in here, so I'll just walk through the various options. Those being that you can actually mass update buffers, or you can individually update buffers depending on what it is you're looking to achieve or what job you're trying to do. Okay, if we want to just target an individual, for instance, so we'll use this top name here. You can go ahead and click on their buffer amount. So if I just click on the £5. You can add or subtract as £5 quick and easy there, or if you just wanted to change that, you can by overtyping it. So I'm just going to take that down to, let's say, £2.50. And you're going ahead and press save. And that shows you that the buffer's been updated, and we see that the screen refreshes, and we can now see that child has got a £2.50 buffer there. Okay, and we can see across the board that the actual available balance is adjusted to match that. If you wanted to remove it completely, go back in, change that to nil, hit save. And that'll go ahead and do that for you as well. Now, if you wanted to go through and maybe change them en masse, then you can do that by going ahead and just selecting multiple names. So you can look by a certain groups if you want to do a certain year group, or you want to do a certain class, for example. You can do that using those drop downs up there. But for instance, I'm just going to go down and just select these handful of names here. And there's an option here which says change selected buffers. So the ones that we've got selected will let us change. So if I go on those, and we're going to give those all £5. We can see that those have all got now £5 against their accounts. The final option is you can mass change buffers. So if you wanted to change them all, you're going to use that button at the top. And this works for adding money and taking money off. Okay, so if you wanted to change all buffers, you can go ahead here, all contacts, and you can pop your amount in. So if I want them all to be nil, if you're looking to remove them, if I do save, you sure you want to change the buffers to the organization. You want to confirm that, press yes. And that'll work its way through. And obviously, depending on how many actual names you've got, I've got 105 in here. It's very quick. If you've got quite a few names, it can take a few more minutes. So just let that run its course, and you'll get a confirmation at the top to confirm that as well. And that's all you should need to do. I hope that was helpful.